You know, this whole place over here looks familiar. I believe I've been here before with another company. Yeah, I know where I'm at. And it's okay, cause I know what boiler they got. But I don't know the problem. I guess we gon' have to find the problem. Cause what I hear is they have issues with their bad news motor, starring Lamar Brandon Campbell. I'ma go inside and see what's going on with this motor that they're talking about. Hopefully it works. But if not, it's okay. Because they called the Motor Heroes. They called it in. Said they were having issues with their boiler. And the motor was making some kind of noise. I'm just trying to get access. I've been to this building a long time ago with another company. The thing about New York City, all these boiler companies be swapping out buildings. All the property managers pretty much be getting another company to come by because they don't want to pay the bill on the last company. So I guess that could be the reason why I'm here now. But either way, everybody gets at least some kind of service from the Boiler Hero. This is a warehouse, I'm assuming. So they don't really need heat crazy 24 hours just to maintain their products, probably. And no light.
No light?
Working in the dark again.
I need some light, bro.
I don't know how people expect us to work without light.
I gotta go get my screen real quick.
I got a flashlight.
But can you give me some light in there?
I noticed he had a 7800 relay, so I'm gonna go get my screen for that. But I don't know which way I came from.
You straight?
I don't know which way I'm going, to be honest.
Which way did I come from?
I think he thought I wanted to see the circuit breaker for the lights. But I don't understand why the lights ain't working. I'm just trying to get out if I can go get my screen. If I can see what safety is going on. Because I don't know what's going on. There goes the door. I saw it was a 7800, so that's the screen. I'm gonna grab that if I can see what safety is going off of. I didn't even start it yet, so we gotta hear this noise that they're saying that they're hearing from the motor. So let's go check that out.
Mess in here.
Yeah, this place looked like somebody ransacked through it. Whatever. A small baby power flame holding on this warehouse. Put my screen on it. It was a lockout airflow switch. Press the reset. I feel like I'm gonna record because I know what's about to happen. Press the reset. And boom. Nothing. Blower motor shot.
Gotta be a switch here. This one right here. Alright, so.
I'm thinking I could press that red reset button on the motor, but it's not even reset the trip or anything like that. So it's all about just taking the info.
This looks kind of brand new. What's that though?
So I'm just confirming that there's nothing else holding this out. So I just want to make sure we have like a single phase motor that's just not working. Can't forget my screen. Take that with me. So I'm sure I'm going to take the info for the motor, and they're going to probably send a proposal. So how I know the motor was pretty much done is the air switch. The air switch is what tells us pretty much that the blower motor is working. So the air switch was locked out because there was no air to hit it.
No good.
Okay.
I'm gonna let them know, and maybe we come back and change it. Thank you.
Oh, my hero. That was easy. I ain't gonna lie, I knew what it was once I saw air switch lockout. We know the air switch is not being made because of the motor, because that's the only thing that's making the air switch go. But we knew what it was. Will I come back and change it? I don't know. It's all about the boss. Will they send me back? If they do, it's a simple fix. 2 bolts, 2 wires, and that's it. But until next time, my hero. Oh, and don't forget.
I think it would be today, but
Whenever
I'm
you
gonna let them know about the light, and
need
then
me to
if
not
we
roll, call
get
the
it done,
boy
like,
hero.
soon, then I guess I'll come right back. I don't know. That's what I said. I'm gonna let me talk to them. Thank you, man. All right, bye.